Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you Passé composé partie 3. That means past tense part 3. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to study Passé composé. This is the third part of our series, Passé composé. As I told you that I've divided the series into 4 parts. In the first two parts, I've taught you Passé composé avec avoir. And today what we are going to do is Passé composé avec être, with the verb être. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end. And in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And let's just start with the video. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you Passé composé avec être. This is the third part of our series, Passé composé. Now, when we were doing Passé composé with avoir, I taught you that all the verbs in French, whether any verb in French, is divided into 2 categories when it comes to Passé composé. Either the verb will go with avoir or the verb will go with être. Now in the first 2 parts I've taught you a lot of verbs which go with avoir. Now let's just do all the verbs which go with être. Now first of all, let's just understand the basic formula as to how will you write a verb in Passé composé with être. So first of all, for that you need a subject, sujet. That can be je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il pluriel, elle pluriel. It can be any subject. Now, since now the verb is going to go with être, so we are going to write the conjugation of the verb être in the present tense. Here I forgot to write in the present tense, you can add it. So conjugation of the verb être in the present tense followed by participe passé of the principal verb. Whatever verb you want to conjugate, supposedly you want to conjugate the verb mettre or lire or aller, partir, whatever verb you want to conjugate, you'll write the past participle of that verb and you are going to accord that. Now accord happens only with the verbs which go with être and that does not happen with the verbs which go with avoir. Now for this we are going to study in detail in the later slides. Now let's just do the conjugation of the verb être in the present tense, because here we are doing Passé composé avec être, so you will need this verb frequently. Now this is not Passé composé, this is the conjugation of the verb être in the present tense, which is je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. If you want to study this verb in more detail in the present tense, I'm going to drop the link of this verb in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now let's just study this verb once again. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now when we were doing Passé composé avec avoir, with the verb avoir, I told you there is a list of the verbs which go with être. Apart from this list, all other verbs will naturally go with avoir. Now the important thing is to decide that which are the verbs which go with être in Passé composé. So we are doing the topic list of the verbs which go with être. So this I wrote in French, list of the verbs which go with être. So for that there is an abbreviation. You need to learn that abbreviation. Dr. and Mrs. Vander Trampp.
Now, with each letter begins a verb, like Dr., Mrs., Vander, we are going to do more. So, with each letter begins a verb. This is an abbreviation just to learn what are the verbs which go with the verb avoir in Passé Composé. So, now we are going to write DRMRSVAN like that, and with each letter begins a verb. Now, all these verbs are the verbs which are going to go with the verb être in case of Passé Composé. Now, the first verb is descendre. Descendre, which means to go down or to descend. Descendre. Now, here I have written the corresponding participe passé. Right? Because what is the formula of writing a verb in Passé Composé? You write the subject, then you write the conjugation of the verb être in the present tense, followed by the past participle of the verb. Now these are the past participles of these verbs. Okay? Alright, so now descendre, the participe passé is descendu. The next verb is rentrer. From R begins the verb rentrer. Rentrer, which means to return, and the participe passé is rentrer. Rentrer. The next one is monter. Monter, which means to climb, and the corresponding participe passé is monter. Now the next one is retourner. Retourner. From R begins retourner. Retourner, which means to return. Now the corresponding participe passé is retourner. For ER verbs, what was the formula? You just need to remove ER and then add E with the accent. Now retourner, retourner. Now the next verb is sortir. Sortir, which from S begins sortir, which means to go out. Now sortir, the corresponding participe passé is sorti. Why? Because for the IR verbs, what do? You just remove R, and this is your participe passé, which is sorti. The next one is venir, which is an exception. Now venir, the participe passé is venu. Venu. So venir, which means to come. Now you see, from each letter begins a verb. Descendre, rentrer, monter, retourner, sortir, venir. Now we had already done till the letter V. Now let's start from here. From A begins aller. Aller, which means to go, and participe passé is aller. The next one is N, naître. Naître, which means to be born, and the participe passé is né. Né. The next verb is the verb devenir. From D begins devenir. Devenir, which means to become, and the corresponding participe passé is devenu. Now if you remember, in the previous slide we did the verb venir. For venir, the participe passé was venu. So venir, venu, devenir, devenu, and similarly if you see over here, it's revenir, so revenir, revenue. Okay, venir, venu, devenir, devenu, revenir, revenue. Now the next verb is entrer. From E begins entrer. Entrer, which means to enter, and the participe passé is entrer. The next verb is rester. Rester, which means to stay, and participe passé is rester. For all the ER verbs, you just need to remove ER, put E with the accent aigu. The next verb is from T begins tomber. Tomber, which means to fall, and the corresponding participe passé is tomber. So tomber, tomber, which means to fall. Now the next verb is revenir, which I was just explaining you. Revenir, which means to come back, and the corresponding participe passé is revenu. So aller, naître, devenir, entrer, rester, tomber, revenir. Now the next verb is the verb arriver. From A begins arriver, which means to arrive, and the participe passé is arriver. The next verb is mourir. Mourir, which means to die, and the corresponding participe passé is mort. Mort. The next is passé. Passé, which means to pass, like you pass by someone's house. So passé, and the participe passé is passé. The next verb is the verb partir. Partir, which means to leave. Partir, and the corresponding participe passé is parti. Let's just revise it once again. Arriver, mourir, passer, partir. Now, in this video, we have studied what is the list of the verbs which go with the verb être in case of passé composé. In the next part of the series, that means in the last part, we are going to study what is the actual way to conjugate a verb, all these verbs in case of passé composé. So that is going to be the last part of our series, passé composé. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. For all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.